There's this Ackee variety in Jamaica that goes by a few names: butter Ackee, agricultural Ackee, or rata Ackee. The interesting thing is, it didn't originate in Africa like the original Ackee. Nope, it's a true Jamaican creation, a hybrid born right here on the island. We like to call it the cousin or buddy of the original Ackee tree. And if you go asking the folks at Rata about it, don't expect them to spill all the beans. They might not give you the real lowdown on how this Ackee variety came to be. It's like our little local secret.